We're thrilled by our most recent 5-star review from someone that just experienced our great customer service. Our team works hard to go the extra mile for everyone, so this type of review is very rewarding. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Contact us today and let us give you the same amazing service.